only show changed files while syncing from extension 4 to Ntfs. I would like rsync to print modified and deleted files. The verbose option, V, does print modified files, but also the list of subdirectories, maybe because touch directories are considered modified. Since I sync a lot of files from a lot of subdirectories, it's impossible to see the actual changes. So, is there a way to not print directories using rsync? I'm not looking for grep v */ kind of answer, since it would also exclude new directories. Command I am using rsync av delete /media /data /src /media /data /bkp, and every time it prints the list of all directories. Edit. OK, after some intensive tests. It doesn't print all directories when syncing from an extension 4 partition to an extension 4 and from Ntfs to Ntfs. It only does when syncing from extension 4 to Ntfs. And option C or omit dir times don't change that.
You could try using omit dir times, switch to ignore directory times. Take a look at rsync man page. I personally find that using C-switch is the best way to ensure that only the files whose contents has been changed show up in the output. Note that using C will slow down rsync.
Looks like it was a permission issue. Not sure why. But I've edited /etc/stab for Ntfs partitions and it now works as expected, i.e. no printing of directories that haven't been modified. Old stab entry. Ntfs 3G users defaults exec uid equals 1000. New stab entry. Ntfs 3G users defaults exec uid equals 1000 gid equals 1000 dmask equals 077 fmask equals 13700. I'm guessing, who knows, dmask equals 077 did the trick, i.e. drwx instead of drwx rwx.
Instead of changing the mount type, you can also tell rsync to ignore file permissions when copying to a file system that doesn't support it. The following command works for me. From the rsync man page. In summary, to give destination files, both old and new, the source permissions, use perms. To give new files the destination default permissions, while leaving existing files unchanged, make sure that the perms option is off and use chmod equals ugo equals rwx, which ensures that all non-masked bits get enabled. If you'd care to make this latter behavior easier to type, you could define a popped alias for it, such as putting this line in the file /.popped. The following defines the Z option, and includes no G to use the default group of the destination dir.
Don't use A, it contains P though G.
If you love to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.